Hi, thanks for tuning into this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about my experience, what I had in authoring my first book, that is Sell Like a Pro. Ever since I entered into the startup industry while incorporating my startup Namcab, so I had a lot of experience on how to generate leads, how to do a engagement with them, and then how to convert them also. So initially, even though I had struggles in attracting my B2C leads, I had engaged lead generation tool later, which really helped me to get a lot of leads and converting them as my paying customers. Subsequently, I also got into a learning mode, acquiring knowledge about digital marketing and various tools and techniques available for sales and making your online presence and getting generation of leads and conversion in a more systematic and a more structured manner. So ever since I got into an startup industry, I was meeting a lot of founders and solopreneurs who wanted to take their business to greater heights. Even though the founders are very strong in their technical capability like product development, then team management, operation management, financial management, and uh, meeting their investors and pitching about the product and about the company. When it comes to sales, they're a little bit jittery. So they feel that okay, it is someone else's territory, and they need to engage someone or look for a co-founder who can able to take the sales portion of their startup or their organization. So they feel that okay, they are not capable enough or they don't have the required skill set to take the product into the market. So that is where I want to pitch in. So I wanted to give my experience and learnings of sales and then equip those powerful founders who have got a lot of mission to how they can able to equip themselves with the required skill set and with their strategies, framework, and tools, and taking all alone with only themselves. So they don't need to depend on anybody or any other agency for doing the initial customer attraction. So if they can get the required tools and strategies, they can do it themselves, and then they can able to implement, get results, and then once they get a cash flow or once they're able to do a break even, so then they can engage agency or senior resource personnel to scale up their business. So that is a crucial portion which I feel that okay, it is very important, and I need to help the founders who are in the initial stage of setting up the business and attracting the customers. So that's how since last year I started this coaching, helping entrepreneurs to set up their sales system and optimizing it and getting the required results as per the targets. So once I can help them to acquire the initial 50 or 100 customers, then they know the how the system works, and then they can able to scale it up further by tweaking that strategies and techniques. So that is where I want to pitch in. I wanted to help entrepreneurs. So even though since last year I was doing webinars, I'm doing a lot of online sessions, recording the sessions, and then social media workshops and all. So I wanted to take this learnings and experience to a broader audience, so that all my nuggets of sales and experience and proven techniques can be read through, and then they can implement it, and this whatever the essence can be taken to a large number of people. That's why I was thinking okay, let me see if I can able to author a book or not. Then I met one of my friend Dhananjay. So he's my co-participant in one of the program we attended in last June, that is Train the Trainer, organized by Success Gyan, and he's also part of my community, main community, Siddharth Rajshekar. So he was giving revision session after TTT, and one day on 27th August, when we were having a session, he asked us whether or is someone interested to author a book. He asked me that, "Are you interested to author a book, naming?" I thought, okay, yes, I am interested. Then okay, let us put it in action. So be ready with the topic, be ready with the contents, and then I'll see to that okay, you are launching the book in next 5 days. So that got excited, I got excited, and then I thought, okay, let me give a try and then complete this authoring in the book, so that that is also one of my milestone which I want to achieve for a long period of time. So then, unfortunately, on 28th of August, my father expired. So I had rushed to my native place. I had to be there completing the final rituals, stay there for almost 10 days, and then uh, uh, leave my native place after 2 weeks. So, so I could not able to participate in the first batch of the session which Dhanjay has conducted. So when I came back, then when we were having a regular session, then Dhanjay was proposing that I'm going to start a next batch. Whether you are interested, then I thought, okay, let me give a try now. So since I had initially in my mind to author a book, so since I couldn't do it in the last month, so I thought, okay, let me do it in this month, and whatever plan or initial thought I had, let me put into action so that it let it get materialized and let it reach the broader audience. So that's how I entered the challenge last week, last Monday, and then within 5 days, he gave me all the formula, structure, tools, how to record. Because I was thinking that book writing means we need to write out of pages, and then we need to convert to digital, and then we need to edit it. We need to give outside for a proofreading, and then publish it. He made it very simple by giving the right tools like Otter, wherein I can able to speak, and then those speeches can be converted to words, text to uh, audio to text conversion can be done, and then I need to go back and then see those text and then edit it, whether it has come out correctly or not, and I can put it in a phrase which can be readable. So that's all. He has given me the complete structure, complete framework, the tools, and about the Amazon, how to do. And then officially, I completed my book, and then as per the program, we launched it on 17th of September. But he told, okay, if you are having something to be corrected or edited, then you take 1 or 2 days and then republish it. So I took 2 3 days more, and then I went back to the contents, and then I felt that somewhere it is lacking, and then I recorded the courses, the topics, and then I converted to text, and then finally I was ready to be on Monday. But Monday evening it told that, okay, as a group, let's get the all the books together into the public forum. So we are around 6 to 7 authors who have written the book, and he told, let's fix a date, and we fixed 21st September as a date wherein we all together complete uploading the second edition of the revised content in the Amazon, and then announce it to the public. So that's how I completed the last 3 days the pending chapters, pending corrections, and then edited it and then uploaded last night. And today morning, that is on 21st September, I announced it to the world that I have launched the book, and I shared the link of my Amazon book. As a part of the Amazon book launch, we can able to promote it for free for some time. So we choose as 24 hours as a timeline with which I can able to share the link to the people, to my audience, and then they can able to get a free copy. So I am going to share a link of my book in the comment section. So please go ahead and grab the free book copy today itself, and once you have it in your Kindle, you can read it later also as per your convenient time. But grab the book today itself, and download it in your Kindle. And also, I want you to give your valuable reviews in the form of 5 star in the Amazon review section below my book. One tip what I got, that normally reviews are being monitored or checked by bots. So if there are general words and generic words, they may not approve it. So one suggestion what I want to give to you is, you please take one line from the book, one phrase or one line from the book, and then you whichever you liked it, and then you below that line you put your own comments, so that the bot will recognize that, okay, this review or the reader has really read the book, or read the book and then giving the comment, so that it will be easier for the bots to approve your reviews, and which will come on my book section. So it will help me to rank up in the bestseller category as well. So I need your support. So please go and grab the free copy of my book by clicking the link below, go through it as much as possible and then immediately give a review also with the 5-star category, taking one line from the book and then give your own comments. So I need your support in taking my book to the bestseller category. So please go ahead and give your reviews in the book under the book section. So that's how I wanted to share in this video about my experience of how I got an idea of taking this book writing, author a book into an effect. So it all happened in the last 1 month framework, and I'm very much happy that I'm very much excited that I could able to finally author a book and launch it to the public, so that my essence of my all my experience and learnings are put in a very simplistic manner, and then it is going to the public, and people can able to read it and then implement it and get results in their own business. So I tried to put all the contents as simple as possible, so that anybody who is not having any prior sales experience can able to read through the book and then get the content and then get the required learnings, and then they can immediately implement in their startup. So if you got any doubts or clarification on the any topic which I have highlighted in the book, you are please free to contact me in the comment section, so I can able to definitely able to guide you and then able to provide you the required clarification, so that you are able to implement it in a startup or an organization immediately and get results. So thanks for watching this video. I'll look forward for a support in getting the required comments or reviews in my book. So please don't forget to grab the free book copy immediately, because the link is valid only for 24 hours. So before it gets removed, and then you need to pay the actual amount of 299 to buy this book. So please utilize this opportunity to buy the book at 0 rupee, and then download it and keep it in your Kindle for even further readings also, further references also. But don't hesitate to contact me if you have got any doubts or clarification on my book. I'll be more happy to serve you. If you want to attend my webinar and workshops which I'll be conducting regularly, so I have given the link in the books also, so you can able to click the link and then join my community. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you have found this video useful and relevant to you. So let me catch up with you with my further updates in my next video. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye. Don't forget to click the link and get the free copy of the book, and please give your comments in the review section under the 5-star category. Look for your support. See you. Thank you. Bye bye.